What's going on, YouTube? What it do? Getting into 440,000. Oh man, my girl was driving the car and she goes to see man far up. Guys, tomorrow we have the Impact. It's gonna be my first time going there. I need to get a car wash because as you guys can see, my car is actually not that clean. It's pretty dirty, a lot of dust everywhere. Last time I went to the event, the kids show, I went with the dirty car, but not this time, you heard me? So I think I'm gonna go try out this one spot that I used to get car washes at, but they just, I don't even know if they're gonna be open. I'm gonna try to get there before they close, but I stopped going there because they tax, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it's not that cheap going there, and they don't even do that amazing of a job. You know, I need something fast and hand washed. I don't want to put my car through a machine. I was supposed to do this earlier, but I fell asleep. I was supposed to go to the gym, and then I was gonna go and get a wash. Well, I'm not gonna be able to go to the gym because I gotta go to a dinner after this wash right now. But if I don't do this wash right now, I'm not gonna be able to do it at all because the event is pretty early. I'll probably like record the way there and all of that, so you guys get to see that. But it is pretty early, and then I wouldn't have time to just, you know, get a car wash or anything like that. Bro, I'm still sleepy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I took like a 1-hour nap. That wasn't supposed to happen really, but I did, and so now I just want to keep sleeping. That's the one thing with taking naps. You gotta be careful, bro. You can't go too long, because then all you want to do is stay asleep. And then if you, I don't know, it's confusing. If you do a long nap, you want to keep sleeping. If you don't do a long enough nap, you're still tired because you wanted to keep sleeping. So it makes no sense, bro. But I'm really hoping that this, you know, that this car wash is opened, because I really need to get a car wash, bro. If not, I could go to a self like car wash, but I don't have any rags or anything like that. And then, is that an X7? I think that's an X7 right there. X7 DZ? That shit's nice though, I ain't gonna lie. They look better in person, whoa. I like in the videos when I saw it, they don't look as, you know, cool. But now that I'm seeing it in person, it actually does not look that bad. What do you guys think about that car though? I don't know if I really like how the headlights are set up, but I don't know, man. BMW just doing their own thing. I think, do they close at 6 or 7? Hopefully they're still, oh, what is this guy doing? Hopefully they're still open, bro. I really want to get a car wash, bro. I feel like I haven't gotten like an actual car wash in like the longest, because every time it rains, I take it as a car wash. So the more it rains, the less car washes I get. And I'm like, oh, every time it rains, I'm like, yo, let's get it. I got a free car wash season, yes sir. But yeah, oh god, I went on red. Yo,
send me your address. I'm about to make my way over there.
alright, I'm gonna send it to you right now. Alright. I gotta figure out with A-Man at what time we're gonna be leaving tomorrow. Hopefully it's not too early, bro, because honestly, bro, I think that van goes from, I think they said from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. and I don't really want to be there, honestly, that long. But it is like a 2-hour drive, so like it's a lot, bro. It's not like, you know, it's a little bit of a drive. Oh, I think is it open? Yes, they're open. Let's get it. Oh, and I'm gonna be the only one. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Oh, look, there's a nice M340 right in front of me. Put it in neutral. Yeah, let me get the just the outside.
Just outside?
Yeah. Huh? Yeah.
28.
28? Yeah. Damn. Y'all prices just keep going up, huh? Is it only cash?
Yeah. Oh, I take car.
You take card? Alright, cause I don't have 28. Damn, they taxing over here. God damn. I just need the outside, bro. I don't need the inside. That's OD. They tweaked with that one. Like I said, $28 just to watch the outside is OD. Yeah. Say put it on neutral. Nah, they tweaked. I'm not coming back here, bro. You wildin'. 28, bro. I go to the Bronx, bro. What? And they wash this shit by hand, bro. for 20 bucks, bro. Inside and outside, plus tire. I just live mad far from the Bronx, but that's OD now. I just need something for the outside. I'll clean the inside myself, bro. You wailing. I used to clean everything myself when I lived at my old place, but I moved, so now I don't have a garage or anything I can do stuff to my car myself. So that's why I be freaking out here. But hey, I guess let's chill in here until they wash my shits, man. Yo, yeah, I checked out the last video though. It's actually doing not too bad, man, for the first day. You know, with YouTube, bro, you never know, bro. You kind of just throw a video out there and hope for the best. But this wash, I just need something to clean the outside a little bit. The inside, I can take care of that. And the vacuuming, I can do that later too, so we should be good. We should be Gucci. Gucci in the Gucci. Nah, think about it though. This is mad expensive for what they do, bro. Look, they just do that, then they add water, then they freaking dry it, and that's it. $28, just like that, in a matter of like not even 5 minutes, way less. Because it literally took them. Oh, it's raining. Hold on, guys, I'm about to take a nap. But yeah, nah, too much money for what they do. And then these guys do a terrible drying job. But I don't even know why I came over here, bro. But I know I should have done this shit myself, bro. I'm tight. I think they close at like 7, so I'm probably one of the last ones to come and get a wash right now. But yeah. I mean, it's alright, I guess. That shit ass, bro. This nigga didn't even wash the wheel, bro. I'm never coming back here. You wildin', bro. With that 28, bro, I could have just bought everything they use and done this shit myself, bro. Nah, that shit was terrible, bro. Like, this shit is still wet, bro. Not coming back. It's clipped. He just lost a customer. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I don't give a fuck about this. Yo, do not come over here. You heard? Look at it right there. I'm gonna be that nigga that says that shit trash. Do not come over here and waste your money, bro. No good. Look, my wheel is that ass still the same way I had it, bro. Yeah, nah. I don't even got a fucking rag either. Let me see. Nah, bro. Like, this shit, look at it. Like, this shit is still dirty, bro. Yeah. To the fucking trash ass shit. Like, look, this shit is still dirty, bro. Nah, shit was ass. I'm pissed, I ain't gonna lie. Did a whack ass job, no cap. Feel like I wanna go buy a freaking, where can I get a freaking drying rag now? Oh, I'm AutoZone, but I don't think there's an AutoZone near me. Well, that was stupid. Let me see if there's an AutoZone somewhere I could go real quick, bro. Give me some rag, AutoZone. Damn, but there's none nearby, bro. I gotta go mad far for them, and I don't even have a time like that. How far is that? 13? All right, we out. I guess we'll go to that AutoZone real quick and get something there, cause that was trash. So I can wipe it down and spray it with something, clean it, get like a quick detailer or something like that, and then I can just wipe it down myself, bro. Oh, this sun is beaming, bro. Sheesh. So yeah, I just finished picking up what I came for, bro. Time to go home now and just clean it up myself, and then I gotta get ready for dinner as well. So let's go ahead and make it home quick, though, cause I'm already running late. Oh my god, regular Sticksmobile things, man. I was supposed to be done with all of this a long time ago, but these guys doing a bad job, slow my ass down, and so I had to go pick it up before, you know, it dries up completely, and then I really can't do much. But just go home and I guess just do it myself, bro. It's a waste of $30 pretty much. Can't wait till I got my own place where I can just, you know, wash my car myself and do all that myself, bro. Because, you know, I always tell people, like, when you do it yourself, bro, it's so much better. Like, you take your time on it, and then you get it looking however you want it, and not, you know, running on other people's times and however they want to do it. So, but I just needed something fast, and that's why I went there. But with more time, bro, I would not go there. I would either do it myself or go somewhere that I know, like, for real, that they're gonna do a good job, you know. But if you're in the Westchester area and you know of a valid ass like hand car wash spot that they do the job like real nice, let me know, bro, so I can pull up there so they can wash my car like, you know, properly, bro. Because I don't know, I feel like everywhere else they're not doing it, bro. And then unless I do it myself, bro, they're just not cutting up, like they're not doing their jobs, bro. They lazy and they just bro. I'd rather I think I think the rain gives me a better car wash than what these guys did, bro. I swear to God, the rain does it better. But it's too late now. Go, bro, go, bro. Like, clearly you got theirs first, right? Hurry up. I'm surprised my girl hasn't hit me up like, where you at? We gotta go soon. Oh shit, that's why I gotta hurry up, bro, before it gets to that. At least we're not too far from the crib. But let's pretty much make it home and then let's get this shit going, man. Yo, look at this, guys. Like, what the heck, bro? Look, they didn't even clean this, bro. Like, my car is pretty much the same as it was when I took it there. I swear to God, bro. So what I ended up buying, y'all, I just bought a quick detailer and then some microfiber towels. And I'm gonna just wipe it down myself real quick because they did not do shit, bro. Got one of these. And I'll just clean my car myself a little bit. Sure, it's Gucci in the Gucci. Man, they didn't whatever, bro. They did not clean shit. Look, yeah, can you see that right there? It's bad, bro. It's bad, bro. Do this shit myself, bro. I'm gonna start here in the front, bro. Spray the whole thing down, bro. They did not clean nothing, bro. Look at this. This is dirty, like, whatever, bro. You know what I want to do? I want to take my car to one of those places where they like clean it like a where they paint correct and all that. Damn, I got some rock chips on this hood, bro. Can't really see them because the car is white, but yes. Yeah, bro. You know what it is too, is that some of this stuff is really like kind of stuck a little bit. So because I take too long to get a wash, bro, because it be raining so much, bro, that sometimes it takes me a while. But some of this stuff is literally like pretty stuck on there. So that's probably another reason why they didn't really wash it right, and they didn't really, like, you know, actually attempt to clean it, you feel me? All right, well, we'll leave the hood like that. Let's get moved to the side here. All right, this side is done. I'm not gonna go too much in detail, but I do want to wash or clean. Oh, that is fire. Now if it comes this way, bro, I'm gonna be like, yo, that shit is heat. That shit is so heat. What the heck? That shit is heat. I'm not even an R8 kind of guy, but I don't know, whatever he got going on is fire. There you go. All the birds that I've killed too is probably on this thing. There you go. Clean bean, potatoes, tomatoes. But yeah, guys, I'm pretty much gonna clean the car a little bit and then go get ready for dinner. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Share it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.